Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a McCulloch bar. Fits on a McCulloch 125. Measures 54 inches from tip to tip. It is a roller nose, and that is 63 gauge. And the rails are in good shape. If you need a long bar for your McCulloch chainsaw, this would be a great one. Comes with a new piece of 3/8 .063 gauge chisel bit chain. That'd be the 75 CJ. Very popular chain for cutting. If you're running 404 on your McCulloch right now, all you do is change the drive sprocket, which is real easily done, and then you can run this new chain. It also has been drilled out for the home light mount, so a couple options there. If you got a big home light, you can run it on that. And I'll just show you here how it mounts up to that 125. I've got an oil tank here for a 125. And it mounts right up to that. So if you need a nice long bar for your big McCulloch, here's a great buy.